Guys, today I'm going to be doing a 2013 Subrosa arum bike check. Well, I guess we'll just start off with the bars. The bars are 8.5 Subrosa bars. I forgot what they're called. Yeah. The stems, Subrosa hold tight top load stem right there. Holds up good. Haven't had any problems with it. Got a little mud right there, but it's alright. The Subrosa badge right there looks pretty sweet. Or there you go. Subrosa forks. Subrosa. Odyssey Hawk tires are kind of dirty right now. Been riding mud and rain. It's been raining. Stock Sunday front wheel. I got it. Traded my friend. I like the way it runs. Holds up. Shadow Conspiracy. I think it's 10 grips. Kind of dirty right now, but happens when you ride hard. Shadow Conspiracy one piece seat works pretty good. It's really comfortable, really soft, and we'll go right here. Shadow Conspiracy Ravager pedals. They were pretty good. I've worn them out a little, but they're pretty good. Subrosa Shield Sprocket. My cranks. They're regular, just 3-piece cranks right there. The chain's just a plain stock KMC chain. Waiting to break it if I get a new one. And then back here, same thing, Odyssey Hawk tire with a stock Sunday rim. Kind of dirty, I need to clean it, I know. But that's all. I guess I'll do a hub sound for y'all. Hold on, let me yeah, I really like the rim and the hub. I'm hopefully gonna get alienation and rim and just lace it to the back. Demolition momentum tires 2.35 because these tires are really way too skinny. I like fatter tires. Well, yeah, I'll keep you informed, guys. I was saying, I like this hub because when you're going fast, pedaling, and all of a sudden you just go faster. Like, I don't know if you see it, it starts off at a constant speed and just starts going faster, little by little. I like it. It's pretty good. Worth my money. No problems with it whatsoever. Well, thanks, guys. Keep you informed. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks.